Waiting for my computer to turn on my side. There we go. Okay, hello, boys and girls. Instead of reading our story, The Nest, on the computer, I wanted to read it from my book today. And I noticed that it is now in the second reading book. So if you're trying to find it in the first reading book, you will not find it there. So you will know that it is the second book because it will have a number 2 over here. So we are reading The Nest this week. And remember, it is a realistic fiction. That means it is made up, but it is something that can happen in real life. So, The Nest. Max, Jen, exclaimed Quinn. Look, I see a nest. Can you see the nest? Asked Quinn. I see it, said Max and Jen. So what did they see? And where are they at? And where was the nest? Can you see the bird? Asked Mrs. Webb. Yes, it is a mockingbird, said Quinn. The nest was made of twigs. It had grass in it. The grass will make it soft, said Ben. I see twigs and leaves, said Wes. I see bits of paper, said Liz. We can write about it, said Jen. One day, a surprise was in the nest. Do you remember what the surprise was? Eggs, the kid said. We see eggs with dots. We will look at the nest every day, said Mrs. Webb. Will we see baby birds? Asked Quinn. Soon? Everyone asked. So they want to know when they are going to see the baby birds. The bird sat on the nest. This made the eggs warm. The bird sat and sat for days. One day, the kids see baby birds. One day. The mom fed the baby birds. The dad fed the baby birds. The birds look soft, said Liz. Soon they will get big feathers, said Quinn. Now, when are they going to get big feathers? Soon. That's a time word. Soon. Every day the birds try to fly. Can they fly yet? The kids asked. The baby birds try. Then the baby birds can fly. So they had to try for a little bit, but then they got it. And they flew. So we need to be like the baby bird sometimes. And even though something may be hard at first, we keep trying. One day it was quiet. The nest was empty. It was fun to see the baby birds. So think about what you could ask yourself before, during, and after you read. And because remember, asking questions of yourself, and you know how I asked you questions while we were reading, that gets us thinking about while we are reading. Thank you guys. Love you, my smarties.